Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and fellow learners. Today, I stand before you to embark on an immersive exploration into the intriguing and multifaceted world of the psychology of spending. This captivating topic holds immense significance in our lives, especially in an era where financial education is more critical than ever. By delving into the depths of our minds and unraveling the intricate dynamics of spending, we can unlock the key to making informed decisions, fostering financial well-being, and achieving lasting prosperity. Imagine, if you will, a scenario that may resonate with many of us. You enter a store with the intention of purchasing a single item, but somehow find yourself leaving with a cart filled with things you never planned to buy. How did that happen? The answer lies within the subtle interplay of psychology that influences our spending habits, often without our conscious awareness. At the core of the psychology of spending lies the influence of our emotions. Human beings are emotional creatures, and our brains are wired to respond to various stimuli. Advertisers and marketers are well aware of this, utilizing psychological techniques to manipulate our emotions and encourage us to spend more. They employ clever tactics to tap into our desires, fears, and aspirations, creating a sense of urgency or scarcity that compels us to act impulsively. Understanding our emotional triggers is paramount, as it enables us to differentiate between genuine needs and wants, empowering us to make rational choices aligned with our long-term financial goals. Moreover, societal pressures and the innate desire for social acceptance profoundly impact our spending habits. We live in a world that glorifies material possessions, equating them with success, happiness, and self-worth. Advertisements and media subtly convey the message that acquiring certain products or brands can elevate our social status and make us feel accepted or admired. It is crucial to recognize the influence of these external forces and critically examine whether our purchases are driven by genuine necessity or the need to conform to societal expectations. By doing so, we can break free from the cycle of mindless consumption and make intentional financial decisions that align with our values and priorities. Closely intertwined with the emotional and societal aspects of spending are our cognitive biases, our inherent tendencies to think and make decisions in specific ways. These biases often lead us astray, causing us to make irrational choices. For instance, the anchoring effect skews our perception of value, making us more likely to spend excessively if presented with a higher-priced item first. The halo effect, on the other hand, causes us to generalize positive attributes of a product or brand to other unrelated aspects, making us more likely to overspend based on a perceived overall superiority. Familiarity bias, loss aversion, and many other cognitive shortcuts further impact our spending decisions. By understanding and acknowledging these biases, we can become more mindful consumers, equipped with the critical thinking skills necessary to resist manipulative pricing strategies and make deliberate, informed financial choices. Financial education emerges as the powerful antidote to the traps laid by the psychology of spending. Equipping ourselves with knowledge about personal finance, budgeting, and investment strategies empowers us to take control of our financial lives. It allows us to discern between genuine needs and fleeting desires, prioritize our long-term financial goals, and resist the allure of impulsive spending. Financial education provides us with the tools to develop effective strategies for budgeting, saving, and investing, enabling us to build a strong foundation for our financial future. Moreover, fostering financial literacy at a young age can be transformative. By incorporating financial education into school curricula and engaging children and teenagers in interactive learning experiences, we can empower the next generation to make sound financial decisions and avoid the pitfalls of excessive consumerism. By cultivating financial literacy from an early age, we can equip individuals with the skills and knowledge necessary to navigate the increasingly complex financial landscape, empowering them to make informed decisions and secure their financial well-being. In today's digital age, where technology and social media are deeply integrated into our lives, the psychology of spending has evolved even further. Online platforms, with their personalized ads and targeted marketing, have become powerful tools for enticing consumers. Algorithms analyze our browsing history, preferences, and online behavior, tailoring advertisements to capture our attention and manipulate our spending impulses. The instant gratification of online shopping, with its one-click purchases and next-day delivery, further amplifies our susceptibility to impulsive buying. It is vital, therefore, to develop digital literacy and awareness of these persuasive tactics to protect ourselves from falling into the traps of mindless online spending. To truly engage with the psychology of spending, it is crucial to foster a culture of open dialogue and shared knowledge. By discussing personal finance, spending habits, and strategies for financial success, we can learn from one another's experiences and perspectives. Financial literacy workshops, community initiatives, and online forums provide spaces where individuals can come together to exchange insights, ask questions, and support one another on their financial journeys. Through this collaborative approach, we can dismantle the taboo surrounding money matters and empower individuals from all walks of life to take control of their finances. Furthermore, it is imperative to recognize the importance of self-reflection and introspection in understanding our spending patterns. By examining our values, priorities, and long-term goals, we can align our financial decisions with our authentic selves. Conscious spending, also known as mindful consumption, encourages us to consider the impact of our purchases on our well-being, the environment, and society as a whole. By practicing intentional spending, we can embrace a more sustainable and fulfilling approach to managing our finances. In conclusion, the psychology of spending is a captivating realm that sheds light on the hidden forces influencing our consumer behavior. By unraveling the emotional, societal, and cognitive aspects that drive our spending habits, we gain valuable insights into our own minds and behaviors. Financial education emerges as the transformative tool that empowers us to make informed decisions, resist manipulative techniques, and achieve lasting financial well-being. Let us embrace the power of knowledge, engage in meaningful conversations, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and financial empowerment. Together, we can rewrite the narrative of our financial lives and shape a future of prosperity for ourselves and generations to come. Distinguished guests, as we delve deeper into the psychology of spending, let us explore some practical strategies and techniques that can help us navigate the complex landscape of consumerism while maintaining financial health. One crucial aspect is the practice of setting clear financial goals. By defining specific, measurable objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debts, or building an emergency fund, we establish a clear path for our financial journey. These goals serve as guiding beacons, helping us prioritize our spending and make informed decisions that align with our long-term aspirations. Another powerful tool in our arsenal is the art of budgeting. Creating a budget allows us to track our income and expenses, giving us a clear overview of where our money is being allocated. By setting realistic spending limits for different categories, such as housing, transportation, groceries, and discretionary expenses, we gain control over our financial resources. Budgeting not only enables us to curb unnecessary spending but also helps us identify areas where we can make adjustments and allocate more resources towards our goals. A valuable strategy for mindful spending is practicing delayed gratification. In a world of instant gratification, where products and services are available at our fingertips, exercising patience can be a powerful financial tool. By giving ourselves time to consider our purchases, we can evaluate whether they truly align with our needs and values. Taking a step back, conducting thorough research, and even setting a waiting period before making non-essential purchases can prevent impulse buying and foster more intentional spending habits. Moreover, adopting a minimalist mindset can have a profound impact on our spending behaviors. The minimalist movement encourages us to declutter our lives and focus on experiences and relationships rather than material possessions. By embracing minimalism, we become more conscious of the items we bring into our lives and prioritize quality over quantity. This shift in perspective can help us resist the allure of excessive consumerism, reduce wasteful spending, and cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment. As we navigate the realm of spending, it is important to cultivate resilience and learn from our financial mistakes. We may encounter setbacks along the way, make impulsive purchases, or deviate from our financial plans. However, rather than dwelling on past missteps, we can view these experiences as valuable learning opportunities. By analyzing our spending patterns, identifying triggers, and adjusting our behaviors accordingly, we can develop resilience and continuously improve our financial decision-making skills. Furthermore, seeking support from others can be instrumental in our journey towards financial well-being. Engaging in discussions with family, friends, or financial professionals can provide fresh perspectives, valuable insights, and accountability. Sharing our goals and progress with trusted individuals not only keeps us motivated but also creates a support network that can offer guidance and encouragement during challenging times. In conclusion, the psychology of spending offers a rich tapestry of insights and strategies to navigate the intricate world of consumerism. By setting clear goals, budgeting, practicing delayed gratification, adopting a minimalist mindset, embracing resilience, and seeking support, we can reshape our relationship with money and make informed financial decisions. Let us embark on this transformative journey, armed with knowledge, intentionality, and a commitment to our long-term financial well-being. As we draw this engaging exploration of the psychology of spending to a close, I invite each and every one of you to take action and embrace the power of financial education. Our channel, Financial Education, is here to provide you with a wealth of knowledge, practical tips, and insightful discussions that will empower you to take control of your financial journey. Make it a habit to regularly engage with our channel, where you'll find a treasure trove of resources, from videos and tutorials to expert interviews and interactive discussions. Commit to expanding your financial literacy and share the knowledge you gain with others, sparking conversations and fostering a culture of financial well-being in your communities. Apply the principles you've learned today, whether it's setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, practicing delayed gratification, adopting a minimalist mindset, or seeking support. Start small, take consistent steps, and watch as your financial health and confidence grow. Remember, financial education is a lifelong pursuit. As the world of finance evolves, so too must our knowledge and understanding. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt your strategies to the ever-changing landscape. Together, let us create a ripple effect of financial empowerment, transforming not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us. By equipping ourselves with the tools and knowledge necessary to make informed decisions, we can build a future of financial stability, freedom, and abundance. Thank you for joining us on this enriching journey, and we look forward to embarking on many more empowering discussions together on the channel of Financial Education. Take charge of your financial future today. Together, let us make a lasting impact. Thank you.